Take one. Action.
Tasting session.
We're here to celebrate NOMOQ's 1-year anniversary in the Leamington Spa site.
We're a very tight-knit bunch that know how to have fun. We have a can-do attitude.
We're celebrating the first anniversary of our UK production site.
My big goal was that everyone would have great fun.
Today we want to thank the whole team from all our sites to have made this possible.
Actually, if you see on the can, there's a little Yeti on there.
We were first introduced to NOMOQ back in 2022 when we were looking to get a printed can for our products.
If you want to get a decorated beverage can, up to the time when we started in Europe, you needed to purchase 250,000 pieces.
With this particular beer, Brewski Peach Lager, we were the first ones to be printed on their new Leamington Spa site.
We are able to deliver high quality, premium decorated beverage cans with no minimum order quantities.
There was like this connecting smile. They were glowing to be here, and I think that's what makes it special to be part of NOMOQ.